Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Today is a massive grocery stock up haul. I went to Aldi and I went to Walmart for a few things. We needed a toaster, a couple other things. Our toaster was like catching on fire. So I'm gonna show you everything that I got and show you the entire haul, but I will have like a second part to this video. I bought specific things and I'm gonna spend $50. Well, I spent $50, but to make 5 meals. So you'll see that. You'll see everything like in this grocery haul, but I'm gonna show you everything that I put together and all of that. Like I bought some things that I already have on hand, but just to show you like it is possible to spend $50 and have 5 meals at home for yourselves. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's just a traditional grocery haul. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I have a lot to share. All right, so everyone's got colds over here, so we've got like the sick station here. So Leighton requested these, so I don't typically buy these, but I thought she asked for them, so I don't usually doesn't eat them, like I said, a lot, but now the sugar in them is not the best. So I got this feta. I'm gonna make a strawberry cucumber feta salad, so I got that for that. I got this, we were just out of sour cream. I got this French onion dip that has been like my go-to to dip cucumbers and carrots in lately. So good. I got, oops. Okay, I'm back, sorry, I was getting a call. I got 4 of these Oikos yogurts. Kevin usually takes these for breakfast with him. I got some Texas toast for dinners, some kids snacks. I got some Ritz crackers, some Cheez-Its, some cereal bars. Austin really likes those. He'll eat them in the morning when he's not super hungry for breakfast. Some of their favorite granola bars, the Chewy Dips. 2 things of egg whites for me and Kevin. This brick of cheddar cheese, a dozen eggs, some vanilla Greek yogurt for Leighton, a bag of organic, oh no, it was not organic, I thought it was, just frozen broccoli florets, some breaded chicken patties, a jar of creamy tomato Alfredo sauce, some Ruffles, those are our favorite chips, fudge rounds. Tell me if you guys like fudge rounds. I had never had one, and I've never had one to this day. Kevin loves them, and the kids love them. I think they just look gross, but they love them. So I haven't seen them in a very long time, so I bought a box of them, box for them. These for myself, because those are the best. I bought some bacon, this pack of thinly sliced chicken breast, some chicken tenderloins, and some diced chicken breast, a package of cube steaks, and some ground beef, 2 things of orange juice, 2 things of these French toast sticks. The other one is in the freezer, but I took it out of the box already because I couldn't fit it in my freezer. A bunch of this stuff is to go. Austin has his, he did his first penance already, but he's doing like a breakfast and stuff at the church. So I got a bunch of these to bring to the church. So that's what those are. I grabbed some of these, like the Hostess cupcakes. The kids love these. I put them away, like, so these will last us a while. I got a thing of mini muffins. That was Austin's request. I got a jar of salsa. I'm just stocking up on some baking stuff. So some baking powder. These I got for the kids for breakfast the next couple of days. A box of brownie mix. Some of these, I like the Keebler cookies and like the Chips Ahoy cookies, so I figured I would try them. They're the Aldi brand, and we'll see how they are. Some Caesar dressing, some yeast for making bread, some taco seasoning, 2 cucumbers, some taco shells. These are a treat for me. I love these. These little 100-calorie packs of these little chocolate wafers. They're so good. I got some white rice, some baking soda, some vegetable oil, and some tortilla chips for our salsa. And over here, I have some puddings for the kids, strawberries, baby carrots, whole carrots, green grapes, red grapes, bananas, box of rotini, some cane sugar, another thing of muffins, some apple sauces, 2 avocados, romaine hearts, and then I stocked up on a bunch of bread. So I got some hamburger buns, some just 100% whole wheat bread, and then some of these 45 calorie multigrain bread for myself. Then over here, I got some soda waters. I was just about out, so I got the lime and watermelon, and then this polar seltzer looked really good. It was watermelon lemonade. That one sounded super good. So I got this massive box of Rice Krispies. It's like the Walmart brand. It was like less than $3 for this ginormous box. Like, look how big this box is. It's huge. So I grabbed that to have on hand. I grabbed some mini Diet Cokes for myself. And we were out of, no, we weren't out of. Our toaster was like on fire, so I had to get a new toaster. All right, so now I'm going to upload my receipts from Fetch Rewards. The first one I am doing is my Walmart receipt. You just snap a picture and it does all the work for you. See on the side there, it has the store, the total, and the date. That is all you need, and it uploads, and I got 44 points. So I got a few extra points for like Ruffles and a few other things. So with my Aldi receipt, I didn't really buy anything that was like a name brand because Aldi has a lot of their own name brands. So with that, typically you get 25 points for every receipt if you don't have any bonuses or anything like that. But it really adds up. I was able to get $50 around Christmas time. That's usually what I do. I stockpile all of my points, and I usually buy a gift card around Christmas time, either for the teachers or for myself, and I go Christmas shopping and all of that. So now I am just doing, so there's the 2 options as you saw. There's the scan if you have a physical receipt, and then it checks your email, your Amazon purchases, and all of that. So if you use my code, I have the link down below in the description box. If you use my code Justine, all in capitals, Justine, I'll have it on the screen here, you can get 3,000 points, which is $3, just for signing up and uploading your first receipt. It is so easy. It's just the best thing. I love it. And unlike other apps, you don't have to scan things and scan the actual products and any of that. So I do this quite often, so as you can see. But there is all of these places that you can redeem your rewards. There's Amazon, there's Barnes & Noble, Bass Pro, Bath & Body Works. The list goes on and on. So I highly suggest downloading the app, scanning your first receipt, and really saving yourself money every week on your groceries, especially with how crazy things are nowadays with groceries and gas and all of that. So make sure you download the app and save yourself some money. All right, and then from Walmart, I got all of these super cute spring dresses. This one is the Time and True. I got the size extra small because I think it's like the baby doll size or style, and I just didn't want it to look too big on me, so we'll see if it fits. We're going to try everything on. And then I got the same dress in this yellow color, and it's either going to look great or it's going to look horrendous on me. I don't own anything yellow like this, but I don't know. I just loved it. So then I got this really cute spring dress. Thought this would be cute for maybe Easter, or the boys each have, Austin has his communion and Brendan has his confirmation, so I need all of the dresses, but I thought this one was super cute. And then this one as well, I thought it was so pretty. This was like an incredible price. This was $12.98, so I got a medium in this because I'm just hoping it's not too short. And it has a little tie, so let's try them all on and see how they look. Okay, this is adorable. I just think it's a little too short for me. So I could either get like the neck size up, or I don't know. It is adorable, and it's longer in the back, so I do love that, but it's just a little bit too short for my liking, but it is adorable. Like, so cute, and it's so soft. I love it. It is so cute. I might try to get like the next, I got a medium But I think this is like in the juniors department, so maybe I'll try a large and it will be a little bit longer, but I hope so because it's so cute. I love it. I feel like I always strike out. This is so cute, but I just feel like the fit, like if this was up here maybe a little bit, or I don't know, it just falls weird on me and I feel like a tablecloth, or like, I was gonna say second grade teacher, but like my kid's second grade teacher is always so cute, so that's like, sounds like it's an insult, but like an old school second grade teacher. So bummer, but it's a no for me. But this is a yes. You definitely need like a tank top or something on because you can definitely see like the outline of your bra, but, or like a seamless bra. But other than that, like this is so cute. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like the yellow because it's like a straight up mustard yellow, but it has these cute little cap sleeves and you can definitely like dress this up or dress it down. Like you can wear this with like a cute little sweater. You could wear this with flip-flops. You could wear it with cute little wedges. You could do a lot with it, and it's got pockets. So that is always a plus. But do we love the yellow? I kind of love it. I hope I keep loving it because sometimes I try stuff on and I'm like, meh, I don't know. But I love it, and I'm assuming I love the cut, I love the fit. I'm assuming I'm gonna love this navy blue one because we all know Justine loves navy blue. Okay, the only other thing that I got is just this basic white tank top. So I always like to get a couple new ones every year. It was like $5. It has like the ribbed on it, which I really like. So I don't think I showed you guys because I was also taking pictures for Instagram, but yes on the blue, I'm obsessed. So that is just a few things that I got for the spring. Let me know if you guys like that portion of like my channel where I share like clothes stuff and outfits and all of that kind of stuff because I love it. So I'd be happy to share with you. So thank you guys so much for watching this grocery / dress haul. So I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you are subscribed and I will see you guys soon. Bye.